He's known as the Southern boy who's got a thing for Hemis.
Yeah.
Well, yes, we thought we had a clip of him, but we have a better. He's here in person. Please welcome John Reep. Good morning.
Good morning, Charles.
What's going on,
This is a live 3D clip
That's
right
you
here.
get a little clip of
It's
what's
way
going
better,
on.
yeah.
So you're a Southern boy. Where are you from?
I was born and raised in a little town called Hickory, North Carolina.
Hickory.
That's how you have to say
Do
it.
you?
You gotta shake your head, because that means you're proud.
Nice.
I don't know why people do that. When they get all proud about something, they turn into this. Their
Yeah.
head starts
Yeah.
going like that. If you're proud, you do this. But if you're ashamed, you kind of go up and down a little bit.
Oh, okay.
You know, there's people like, where are you from? Ocala. Yeah. But yeah, I grew up in Hickory, North Carolina.
Hickory, North Carolina. But you're in LA now.
Yep.
How is it being a country boy in a big city? Talk to me about that.
It's different for sure, because I still have a little bit of a southern accent, you know. So when I meet people for the first time, I can tell they're kind of looking at me.
Yeah.
It's like they can't wait for me to say something like,
Yeah.
"What are shoes for?" I came here on a horse, you know. Or my third cousin is Honey Boo Boo Child. It's what they expect to hear when
Right,
they
right,
southern
right.
accent.
Especially
you know?
in LA.
Especially in LA. Yeah.
And I mean, you've been in LA for a while. You've been on a lot of TV, a lot of movies.
Yeah.
Talk about some of your projects.
Well, next month, August the 8th, I'm going to be in a movie called Into the Storm.
Nice.
It's a action thriller. It's a tornado movie. It's not a comedy, but my part's supposed to be the comic relief.
I
We'll
hope so.
see. We'll see, exactly.
Yeah.
I haven't seen it yet,
Yeah.
so who knows. But yeah, it's going to be really good. We've got a nice cast. Sarah Wayne Callies from The Walking Dead is in it. Richard Armitage's from The Hobbit. And it's going to be a big budget action thriller movie. Can't wait.
And you've been in some great TV shows as well.
Yeah,
Eastbound and Down.
Eastbound and Down on HBO was a lot of fun, great comedy. I got to work with Danny McBride, and that was a dream come true because
Yeah.
I was him for Halloween 2 years ago.
Nice.
And now I'm sitting next to him like
Yeah,
this,
yeah.
doing scenes with the guy. It was a lot of fun. Yeah, and actually you and I were on the same lot
We
there
were in
for
the
a while.
same lot. We were talking about this earlier. We were on the same lot, CBS Radford. You were on a sitcom
I
with
was on a
Rodney.
sitcom called Rodney.
I
You
was
were
on
doing
Passions. We were in the same place for like 2 years.
I wonder how many times we walked past each other and didn't even know.
I don't even know.
Hello.
Hey, this
Talk
is just
about a movie. I was wondering if you needed an extra or something
I do.
like that. You
And I
do?
heard divorced. High
Oh.
five.
That's
There
right.
you
That means
go.
we're happy.
Let's do it.
Hey,
There you
where
go.
can people get more information on you?
My website, it's easy, johnreep.com, JONREEP.com. I hope you put letters in there when I do that. And I'm on Twitter, Facebook,
Twitter,
all that
everywhere.
stuff.
Yeah,
Instagram, all
improv
that
this
stuff.
weekend as well.
What's your type again? Just so the girls who are watching.
Type?
Yeah.
Oh, whatever. If you like me, I like you right back. I'm
There
pretty
you go.
easy.
I like that.
That's right.
Marriage
Love
made in
connections
heaven
happen
right
right here.
now, right
Look
here
at
on live TV.
Yeah, baby.
You got a lot more